How to change last name on Facebook. Follow this step. Initially open the Facebook app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now tap on the circular icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. In the expanded Settings and Privacy section, click on the Settings. Now select the Meta Account Center option at the top. Inside the Meta Account Center, you will see a section called Profiles. Click on it. Furthermore, tap on the Name option. You will now see the option to edit your profile name. To change your last name, tap on the surname field. You can delete the current surname and enter a new one. Ensure that the last name you enter follows the Facebook name policy. After editing your surname, tap on the Review Change at the bottom. Once you have reviewed your new name, tap Save Changes to finalize the update. Your new surname will be now updated across your Facebook profile. That's it. I hope this video helped.